Hello, this is Rajshri Sridhar Iyer from IC, and today we are going to learn the working of a swing. Very exciting to learn about the swing because that is the favorite thing when we go to a park in the childhood, of course. So we search for a vacant swing. Once you get it, you run and sit on it and start swinging. So what is the science behind the swing? That is the main topic of today's video. Right? So here we will talk about the conservation of energy, we'll talk about the time period, technique. We don't want this. So we will see how the swing works. Okay, first thing, everything you want to make to work, you have to supply some energy. So you want to supply some energy to the swing. How you will get the energy? What is the source of the energy which you're going to put it into the swing? It is your muscular energy. So stand on the swing and pump in some energy into it. See, this boy is sitting down and pumping some energy into the swing. The swing starts moving. He pumps in more energy and then his swing starts moving faster. It goes to a larger distance, you can see. That means the amplitude is increasing. Right? Okay, now once this amplitude is increased, he keeps on moving. Now, technically speaking, the swing should be moving in the same speed perpetually. That doesn't happen. Who's stopping it? It is the friction which is between the swing and the rod on which it is attached to. Of course, the air is also giving you some resistance. That slows down the swing. So, in order to keep it moving at the same speed, you need to supply some amount of energy, only that bit which is lost in working against the friction, working against the resistance. Right? That means you can maintain the same speed in which you want to. Now another question is, how can you slow it down or make it faster? All that you have to do is, if you are standing on the swing, it is faster. That means what? If you sit, it should decrease. Yes, it decreases. Why? What is the science behind it? It is because the swing is a similar thing which is that of a simple pendulum. Now, what is a simple pendulum? Simple pendulum means something which is tied to a point and it keeps on oscillating. The time period of the pendulum, or in this case it is the swing, it depends upon the length. More is the length, this time period also will be more. That means the swing will become slow. And if the length is less, then you can say that the swing speed will be more because the time period is also reduced. You can see that how do you measure the length of the swing? In order to measure the length of the swing, all that you have to do is you have to measure the distance from the top of the swing to the center of gravity of that body. Right? You can see that there is a small dot there, right? That is the point where the center of gravity lies. When the boy is standing, his center of gravity is on the top. That means the swing will be having a smaller length. And when he sits down, the length of the swing is increased. That is, the effective length of the pendulum is now increased. So that increases the time period. Right? So that makes the swing slower. So now you have understood the science behind the working of a swing